Okay, let's take a look at part C of this guided example. I think your guess is as good as mine. You can see a cotangent square x as well as a cosecant x. Referring to the formula list, you will see a trigo identity that is related to these two, where your cotangent square x can be changed to cosecant square x minus 1. So you realize that I can actually have the whole equation all in terms of cosecant x. Next, the most obvious choice is to simplify and equate to 0. Notice we are supposed to factorize it after you equate it to 0. If you can't see it, let your cosecant x be a. So 2a squared plus a minus 6 will be equal to 0. So in this case, if you can do some simple factorization, now you replace your a back by cosecant x. Now, with the use of zero product rule, you will be able to actually start to solve this trigo equation. Cosecant x will be equal to negative 2. This means that 1 over sine x is equal to negative 2. As we can see this kind of question earlier on. So sine x in this case will be negative half. Alright, we would need to find out what is the reference angle, which is sine inverse half in this case. Taking the absolute value, you get 0.52359. Okay, please take note, sine will give us a negative value in this case, so it must lie in the third as well as the last quadrant. If it lies in the third quadrant, your value of x will be pi plus the reference angle itself. Let me round to 3SF immediately. Similarly, if it lies in the last quadrant, it will be 2 pi minus your reference angle. Let me round off to 3SF immediately as well. This is for the first set over here. On the right, cosecant x will be equal to 3 over 2. So 1 over sine x will be 3 over 2. If I want to find the value of sine x in this case, it must be 2/3. Finding the reference angle again, the use of the calculator. Your reference angle in this case will be 0.72972. Okay, since sine is positive, it must lie in the first quadrant. So if it's in the first quadrant, rounding off to 3 significant figure, it will be 0.730. If it's in the second quadrant, pi minus the reference angle, 2.41. So now, please have your final solution arranged in ascending order. Zero point 730, 2.41, 3.67, as well as 5.76. And underline all your final solution. And there you have it. The use of the trigo identity or on the formula sheet for you to do your trigo solving.